Hey there, little buddy. Probably can't see him, but sitting on a branch just singing to me. Trying to cheer me up. Because I keep looking around and seeing the shitty state of this forest. I'm trying to make it turn around, but I'm one man on 150 acres. There's only so much one man can do. Now, if you're one of those tree-hugging kind that says you shouldn't cut any trees in the forest, it's time to change the channel. You are watching the wrong show. The reason we have all these forest fires is because we don't do enough logging. That's not just my opinion, that's fact. So some of you will look at this and see all the fresh growth and say, oh, that's a beautiful forest. This is way too dense. All these trees are competing for the same nutrients and they're all suffocating each other. So none of them will grow really good. So I gotta come in here with my brush cutter and selectively cut all the smaller trees, leave nice spacing for all the nicer, bigger trees. So if you leave it thick, you create a whole bunch of weak trees like this one, which just recently broke in the windstorm. And I gotta cut this one out of my trail again. So if you're still watching and you're not sick of my rant yet, I will quickly cut this tree out of the way with my 365. That's what I'm up to today. All right, I'll set you up on my cheap tripod here. All right, see if I can get this old saw started. So as you can see, I take every opportunity I can to create new brush piles for wildlife. The grouse and the snowshoe hares absolutely love it. All right, I will see how far I can get down this trail without any more obstructions. Catch you on the next one.